Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to activate your Amazon Mechanical Turk MTurk account and start earning money through Microtasks today. Follow these easy steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the MTurk website. Start by visiting the official Amazon Mechanical Turk website. You can do this by typing mturk.com into your web browser's address bar. Step 2. Sign up for an account on the homepage. Click on the Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk button. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Here, you will have two options, Requester or Worker. Select Worker to participate in tasks and earn money. Step 3. Create your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, you can use those credentials to log in. If not, click on Create Your Amazon Account and fill out your details, including your name, email, and password. Once you submit the form, an email will be sent to you for verification. Click the link in that email to verify your account. Step 4. Complete your worker profile. After verification, log into your account. You will need to complete your worker profile. This includes providing basic information such as your address, payment preferences, and any other required details. Make sure to fill everything out accurately. Step 5. Complete the tax information. MTurk requires some tax information to process your payments. Fill out the necessary tax forms as prompted. This is crucial to ensure you can receive your earnings. Step 6. Browse available tasks. Once your account is set up, head to the MTurk dashboard. You can now browse available tasks, also referred to as HITs, human intelligence tasks. Filter tasks based on your preferences, such as time required or payment offered. Step 7. Accept and complete tasks. Select a task that interests you and read the instructions carefully. Once you are clear about what needs to be done, click on the Accept button to start working on it. Complete the task as per the guidelines and submit it. Chakri Ria. Step 8. Get paid. After successfully completing tasks, your earnings will accumulate in your MTurk account. You can withdraw these earnings to your linked bank account or through Amazon gift cards, depending on your preference. Remember to check back regularly for new tasks and maximize your earnings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Happy earning!